Should you do a home inspection if you're selling your home prior to putting it on the market? I know there is so much to think about when you're selling. It's hard to decipher what to do and what not to do. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolfe, and I've helped sellers in the mainline towns such as Bryn Mawr, PA 19010, Villanova, PA 19085, and Gladwin, PA 19035, to just name a few. I've helped sellers prepare their homes for sale in the mainline area for years. Now that you've spent time preparing your home for sale, why should you worry about a home inspection? And I'll tell you why. The home inspection on the home is just as important as your offer contract. Almost every buyer whose contract is accepted will do a home inspection. Even their lender will recommend that they get one. The home inspection is designed to evaluate the general condition of your home and all of its mechanical systems and that they're working properly. This inspection can either make or break your deal. So spending a little time on some of these issues before your home goes under contract will save you time and money in the end. Also, knowing what repairs that may come up and the cost to fix them will help you give a better understanding of what your true proceeds will be. Let's look at some major issues that often come up in a home inspection. Number one, electrical issues. Make sure that all of the outlets, the GFCIs and the switches, are in working and good condition. So replace any broken outlet covers. Also replace burned out light bulbs to avoid a negative observation like light is inoperable on the report that may suggest an electrical problem. Number two, make sure that you don't have any leaky faucets or signs of leaking under your cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms or on the outside spigots. Number three, AC system. Clean or replace dirty HVAC air filters, and they should fit securely and have them serviced. Number four, smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. You want to replace any dead batteries. Number five, attend to broken or missing items like doorknobs, locks, latches, window panes, screens, and locks. Gutters, roof tires, downspouts, and chimney caps. That was a long list. Number six, dry rot. This often is around door frames, window frames, and exterior doors, or on the siding of homes. This is common in that they are older and may have a lot of moisture exposure, but it can be easily addressed. Also, be sure to remove stored items like debris and wood from underneath the home. In the crawl space, these may be cited for conducive conditions for termites, or they very well may already have termites on them. Also be sure to trim tree limbs within 10 feet or so of the house. Number seven, doors. Make sure that all of your doors open and close and lock easily. Garage doors should also have working safety features like the sensors. Lastly, number eight, recaulk around tubs, showers, and countertops in the bathrooms and the countertops in the kitchen. Checking these areas before your home inspection is an investment in selling your property. Your real estate agent will thank you. For more information and to answer any questions, we're always here to help. We are your mainline and Montgomery, Chester, and Delaware County real estate experts. Kimmy Rolfe sells the mainline and local areas.